Hi, I am Manish. Today I am going to show you how to solve this dreidel cube simplified version. This cube is simplified compared to original dreidel cube because it is very complicated, but this cube is simplified. But on a prima facie, if you look at the cube, you can only turn from these corners only. So if you look at, all corners are turning, but then how can we scramble this? Because if we only turn the corners, it will not scramble. So we have to do a setup move like this. So this is the line. So this is the setup move. We have to place the corners like this, and now we can move the side. So we can move this way or this way. So and now we can split the pieces. So now we can split the pieces like this, and similarly we can set up the corner from this side also, and this will be our the corner position, so that we can move the cubes, move the faces. Okay, so first let us scramble this. Okay, so now it is scrambled properly. So the first step is to make a cross like 3 by 3. So we have this gray, we'll start with gray. So gray and green AHPs, which we can simply place it here. I'll just need to do a proper setup move so that okay. As I said, it's not very smooth, and now we have this gray and blue. So gray and blue AHPs will come here. So first we'll bring it up. Okay, so it is here now, gray and blue, and now we have to bring this gray and blue over here. So it is fixed. So this is fixed, this is fixed. Now we have to fix this gray and pink. It is here. So first we'll have to take this on top, move it here, and now we have to bring this down. So this is fixed. I think we moved this piece out. So first we'll fix this gray and blue into its original position, and now we'll bring this back. Okay, so white, gray and green, gray and pink, and gray and blue. Okay, now gray and red. So again we'll have to take this on top, bring this into original position, and now we have to fix this gray and red over here. So this is fixed. Okay, so our first cross of 3 by 3 is done. Now our next step is to fix the edges of second layer. So it is similar to 3 by 3. So let's say if this is red and green, so we have to fix the red and green, this edge piece over here. So it is U R U R I U I L I U I and L. Okay, so this is fixed, this is fixed. Now before that we'll fix the corners also. So this is pink, blue and gray, which will fix here. Okay, we need to be careful, otherwise the pieces will be popped out. Okay, so this gray, blue and pink corner belong to this side. So now we'll fix the corners. So it is similar to what we are doing in 3 by 3, but we do not need to orient the corners because you can orient anyway. So this is fixed, we need to just place it, we do not need to orient them. Okay, now this is fixed. Now we have to fix the gray, green and red. So this piece will come here, so it is R U R prime. So this is fixed. Okay, now next is red, blue and gray. So this piece will come here. Okay, so this is fixed. Okay, and now last corner, that is gray, green and pink. So this piece will come here. Okay, so all our corners are placed. Now we have to place the second layer edges. So it is similar to 3 by 3. Okay, so now we have this gray and blue, red and blue. So we'll place it here, and now we have to place this red and blue piece, edge piece over here. So it is L prime, U prime, L prime, sorry, U prime, L, U, R, U, r prime. Okay, so this is fixed. Now next is green and pink. This will fix here, so u r u r I it is not very smooth. UI LI UI and L. Okay, so this is also fixed. Now we have red and green. Red and green will fix here, so this red and green will fix here, so it is U R U R I U I L I U I L. Okay, so this is also fixed. Now next is blue and pink. So this blue and pink will fix here, so U prime L prime U prime L U R U R prime. Okay, so all second layer edges are also fixed. Now we have to fix the edges of top layer. So we have this horizontal line, and now we have to fix this too. So that is again like 3 by 3. So F R U R prime U prime and F prime. Okay, so this is also fixed. Now we have to place the edges into its correct position. So this is into its correct position. We need to place this, this and this. This is also into its correct position. Okay, so we'll keep this in front and we'll use this algorithm, that is R U R prime U R 2U and R prime. Okay, so these two edge pieces are fixed. We need to swap these two edge pieces. So we'll keep this, edge piece which is placed correctly on back, and this which is placed correctly on right, and this in front and left, and we'll do R U R prime U R 2U and R prime. Okay, and U. So all edges are into its correct position, and now we have to orient the, we need to place the corners. So let's see if any of the corners are into its correct position. I think no corners are into its correct position, so we'll rotate the corners. So U R U prime L prime U R prime U prime and L. Okay, now we'll see if any of the corners is into its correct position. So this is not, this is not, this is into its correct position. So we'll keep this in front right, and we'll rotate these three corners. So this will come here, this will come here, and this will come here. So again U R U prime L prime U R prime U prime and L. Okay, so all corners are now, you can see, placed properly. So now we can see our 3x3 solve is done. I'll just show you. So our 3x3 solve is now done. So now we have to just place the these smaller pieces. Okay, now we have to place the pieces only, smaller pieces only. Our 3x3 solve is done. So again we have to do a setup move to move these pieces. Like this. Okay, so first step is we need to find an opportunity whereby we can place the pieces easily. So if we have, like we have I'll show you first easy option whereby we can place the pieces easily. So where is that option? Okay, we have this gray over here, and this is corner and this is gray piece. We can combine it with, so we can simply place it over here and replace it with unsolved one and bring this back. So every time we move the side, we need to undo the same so that our 3x3 solve will not get disturbed. So this is solved. Now we need to find another opportunity like this. So this is pink and this is pink, and what we can do is we can place this and replace it with gray one and bring this back. So this is solved. Okay, now we are left with yellow. So do we have yellow piece? We have yellow piece over here, which we can so this yellow corner will come here, like this, but we can't replace it with anyone. So you can see this here, it is red, so we do not have red in this. So this will get disturbed. I mean, this two piece, either of this piece will get disturbed. So we need to find another opportunity for the same. Okay, this is green and pink, so this we can fix it. We need to be careful because otherwise it will get popped up. So this is fixed. Replace it with this see if we can. We do not have green, otherwise we would have placed it. So this is also fixed. Now we have, so I mean this is very intuitive, there is no formula in this. So this red will come here and we can replace it with unsolved one. This yellow will go down and this is also solved. So this entire corner is solved. Okay, now we have this yellow. So can we fix this yellow over here? Or do we have any another piece so that we can, this is blue, this is blue. Okay, so this blue will come here and we'll replace it with yellow. Let's see if we can fix it. So this is fixed and no. Okay, we have this yellow corner and this yellow, sorry, this piece and this yellow corner, which we can easily place and replace it with this gray one. So this is placed. Now we have okay, now we have this opportunity to place this blue and replace it with red. So this is also solved. So similarly we need to find this kind of opportunities so that we can solve both the pieces together. Okay, we have now green and red and this is green. Okay, so this green we can place it and replace it with this. So this is placed and we can replace it with gray, bring this back. So this is also solved. Okay, now we have, okay, so we have this blue. So what we'll do is, we have this yellow and blue corner, now we'll replace it with this blue. So this corner will come here and it will be solved, and this blue will come here and it will be solved. So these two corners are solved. Okay, so now similarly we have this pink one Okay, so what we'll do is we'll keep this no, we can't do it from this side. Can we do it from this side? Okay, this was unsolved, blue and yellow. What we'll do is we'll replace it with this pink. So here it is pink, so it will be solved. So this is solved. Okay, now we have 1-2 piece. We have green and red. Green is here, so how can we place it? Okay, we'll place this red over here like this, and since it is green, we'll place this green side over here and we'll bring this back, so this green will be solved. Okay, so these three are solved. Now we are left with this blue, yellow, pink and gray. Okay, so how can we fix it? We have this gray and green. Where is green? Green is here. Okay, so we have this red and green. So what we can do is we can place this red over here and replace it with yellow. So this red will be solved and this blue will come up. Okay, so we'll use this. So this is solved, this is solved. Now we are left with yellow. Okay, and we have gray. Okay, we are left with this green, yellow, and pink and blue. Okay, so pink and blue we'll try to replace it here only. So this pink, probably we'll see if we can place it here, and this blue. So what we'll do is okay, so we brought it up and bring this blue down. So now we have this pink and gray and this gray. Okay, so now we can, let's see if we can fix this from here. Okay, so this is solved, this is solved. Now we are left with this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces all other pieces are solved. So now we'll see if we can first solve these pieces, because in this layer if we look at 1, 2, 3 and 4, so this side we have 1, 2, 3 and 4 pieces are left. So let's see if we can fix it. So how can we fix it? Gray, okay, we have this pink, we have this yellow over here. So what if yellow and pink? So this pink, and this is green. So what if I bring this up and replace it with this? So similarly, this is yellow, yellow will go up and we'll replace it with blue. So blue will be solved. So we have 3 pieces which are solved in this line, I mean this layer. This pink, blue and green we are left with. So what we'll do is we'll place this blue, pink over here, and this will place it here and we'll replace it with blue because this is blue, and we'll bring it down. So this is also solved. Okay, so now it is getting in shape. Okay, now we are left with green, pink. I think one more piece we are left with, that is gray one. Yes, gray is here. So we are left with 2 gray pieces. Okay, so what we can do is we can bring this up and replace it with this pink, or we can bring this up, replace it with green. No, we do not have green. So what we can do is we can bring it up, or we can bring this down, and we do not have gray over here. Okay, so we need to have this green piece, and this here we have gray. So what we'll do is we'll bring this green piece over here. So how we'll do it, we'll bring this down like this and replace it with this pink, because this pink will go up and it will be solved. So this green has come up. Okay, so now this green we have to replace it with this gray one. So how we'll do it? So simply we have to bring it up, and since this is gray, or else what we'll do is we'll bring this up here. This will be, or what we can do is we have this one, no, so we can use it, right? So this is one, and we can replace it with this pink. So this is done. Okay, this is also done. So now we are left with two pieces and 3. Okay, so 1, 2 and I think 3. So how can we first place it? So simply we have to place it over here. So okay, I'll do it from this side. So this will be up and or this will be up. Okay, so what we have done is this is solved and this gray piece we brought it up. Okay, now we have 3 pieces which are unsolved in the same line. So 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so we have this green, pink and gray. So how do we solve it? So what if we bring this up and now we have to bring this down? We will place this pink over here so that this will be solved. Okay, so this is solved. Now we are left with 2, I mean the gray and pink. So what we'll do is we'll solve this first and we'll see, we'll replace it with this gray one. And yes, now it is solved. Now we can see it is solved. So the cube is not smooth, so it is taking so much of time. So this is solved. Thank you very much. If you have any query, you can message me.